Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome in to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. Today's October 2nd, 2018, for those of you that like to keep up on the videos. And today I got a special video because I'm going to go into a store I have never been in. Some of you may know what it's called or may be familiar with it. Five Below. It just opened here. We do not have a Five Below until right now. I have never stepped inside of one. It's supposed to be super cool. Maybe there's some stuff in there we can resell. Maybe there's some stuff in there for business. I've never been in, so what better way to learn? Let's head on in. So there it is. Five Below is now officially open. I think it opened last week, but let's check it out. So it's Five Below, and here's the entryway into the store. Looks like they're open Monday through Sunday. They're open all week from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. except Sunday they're open till 6. So let's go in and check it out and see what they got. $5 lightning cable, lightning stand charging docks for your iPhone, iPod from essentially an imported Alibaba private label that they're selling for $5 that you probably could get for about $2.50, and there you go. Same story with these Ultra Sport wireless headphones, Bluetooth, $5. Private label. This is how private label works, guys. You just buy something from China, some headphones, you slap your Ultra Sport Prime Audio name on it, and you sell them as this. $5. And they have all their Halloween decorations up. Posters, candy. Oh god, we got a shark head, $5. You guys seen the baby shark do video? There you go, there's your shark heads. Bunch of costumes, some clown makeup. This is all $5. Don't lose your head. It's a mask. Pugs, pizzas, and donuts, and some crying baby. They're only $4. That's pretty funny. And then we have more of this electronic stuff, accessories that are all, this is all junk, guys. This is all gonna be terrible, terrible quality for $5. Oh my god, look at these giant headphones for $5. Titan, Bass Jacks Titan headphones. What kind of quality are you gonna get for $5? Literally. What are you gonna get? They even have older video games. These games are so old for $5. Gaming headsets and accessories, little controller cables. Some Skylander superchargers. I mean, you'd have to look these up, but for $5, that's not all that bad for a kid toy. Some LED light strips to go around your TV. Not really sure what the point of that is, but kind of cool, I guess. Some kind of hands-free neck mount for your phone. That's odd. But what I did find that's kind of cool is mini microphones for tablets, and then glass protectors for Apple Watches, and bumper cases for Apple Watches. I scanned them. There's none listed on Amazon or eBay, but maybe you could resell these. I'm not sure. Probably worth $7 or $8. Now this is pretty cool. It's a watch stand to hold your Apple Watch. I don't believe it charges it, but the charging cable comes into it. So that's kind of cool for $5. Little Apple Watch. I know a lot of you guys have Apple Watches. That's pretty cool. I'd buy that for $5. Yeah, so I just looked most of this stuff up on eBay and Amazon. $7, $9. If it was an actual charging station, it'd be worth like 20, but it's only a stand that holds the watch, so it's only worth like $7, $8, $9. You couldn't buy it for $5 and resell it, but you can see how these people are importing them for a couple bucks and selling them through Five Below here and making a couple dollars profit. Stuff that maybe I would buy in a pinch that I might need. This smartphone tripod is really junk material, but it's a mini of what I have, and it's $5. So yeah, I mean, the one I have, the one I'm using right now on this camera is, I'll show you guys, this tripod right here. This was like 20 bucks. So it's full size, but for a little mini one for $5, not bad. Something I desperately need for my Mac, 4-port USB. I used to have one, but it broke. I don't know if I'd buy this from here for $5, but I'm sure it would work just fine in a pinch. Some kind of headphones for kid-safe Hatchimals. I actually looked these up. They're up for like 14, but still wouldn't be able to sell them. Just somebody else trying. Rows and rows of toys for kids. Cars, puzzles, games for travel. Pretty much a little bit of everything. This single-handedly might be the best $5 item in the entire store. Almost 2 pounds of Airhead Extremes. Or Sour Patch Kids if you prefer. Ladies, I don't know how much you'd trust $5 makeup, but they got a whole row of makeup and perfumes for $5. And $4. If I was a woman, I probably wouldn't buy this stuff here. Just my thoughts on that. Some workout stuff, some yoga mats, yoga block, some walking weights. Over here it looks like they've got some actual dumbbells. These are pretty good for that price. I mean, they'd get the job done. Sports stuff for kids, footballs, basketballs, bouncy balls, soccer balls. Some girls' tank top shirts. This one's kind of funny. I'm sorry, did I roll my eyes out loud? Sure, quite a few of you will get a good laugh at that one. Literally everything hurts. Ocean made me salty. Peachy. This is for Meg, just peachy. Lots of cool shirts, and then a lot of the tech shirts. Today I'm doing nothing. I'd flex, but I like this shirt. I'm why we can't have nice things, pretty much. That's Casey Neistat's shirt. The $5 below store even has a clearance section. That's pretty incredible. What is this? Grilling. Look at that. So that's the whole store. Not much to it. There you go, some extra large football mug and wine glass and coffee mug for those grumpy people that watch me. Man, these would have been awesome for Vegas. I paid $25 in Las Vegas for one of these airplane pillows on our delayed journey. They're only $5 here. They're not as good a quality, you can tell, but still I would have paid $5 just to have it. So after spending about 15 minutes inside of there, 20 minutes maybe, I passed what appeared to be the owners, a couple of Asian guys. Not really surprising because the store is completely private label items, imported. You could tell they were imported, really cheap brands, nothing special. Stuff that they can buy for $2, $3, and resell inside of their store for $5. They're just trying to double their money on everything. And I assume they're just hoping that they can do a whole lot of volume sales. You know, maybe they could sell a couple thousand items a week, you know, 4,000 or 5,000 items a week, make $2,000 or $3,000. And at that point, they're gonna make $8,000, $10,000 a month. They're gonna pay a couple $1,000s for the rent here, a couple thousand for employees, and make themselves some money. When you're selling stuff for $4 and $5 and making $2, it requires a lot of volume. Now, the store's new, so it's busy. It's not gonna stay that way, I would imagine. Maybe, could be wrong. But with the store being that new and that busy, they're gonna sell a few hundred items a day. But I would imagine to make a lot of money, this place has gotta probably make $8,000 to $10,000 just to break even and not really make any real profit. So they'd have to be selling, you know, at $2 profit, 5,000 items a month. They're open 30 days. So, I mean, that kind of helps, but somebody help me with the math here. 5,000 items divided by $2 profit, or 5,000 items divided by 30 days in a month. Somebody do that math for me. I'm just trying to open it up here. Here we go. That's 166 items a day. Doesn't seem too unrealistic to me. Seems like they could do it. I don't know. Anyways, you guys have Five Below? Have you shopped in there? Have you spent some money in there? What do you think about it? There's a little tour in case you're getting one or you think you're getting one.
It's a cool store, cool concept. It just takes a whole lot of volume at $5. Think about how much money you guys make on eBay selling for $5, even if it wasn't, you know, fees and shipping involved. If you were just selling it, still takes a lot of volume. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, enjoyed the little tour inside there. Till next time, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again.